Hi everyone! Today we're going to walk you through the process of setting up a welcome email in MailerLite. If you're new to MailerLite, check the description for a link to a free trial. For existing users, just log in and follow along. First, click on Automation, then on the right side, click New Automation. You will now see the templates. Choose any one of them. Next, enter a name for your automation, create a workflow trigger, and click Save. A plus button will appear. Simply click on it. Next, click on Email on the right side. Fill out the form and click on Design Email. After that, design your email using the drag-and-drop editor. Once you've finished editing, click Done Editing. And that's it. Your welcome email is now ready in MailerLite. Thanks for watching.